If tomorrow morning you woke up and discovered that you had $1 million in your bank account, would anyone notice? Or better yet, would you want them to? Imagine opening your eyes and realizing that your financial life has completely changed, but on the outside, everything remains exactly the same. Your house looks just as it did before, your car is still that reliable model from years ago, and your daily routine hasn't changed. Would you tell someone, or would you keep this secret to yourself? Now, here's something most people don't realize. Some of the world's wealthiest individuals aren't the ones flaunting their success. In fact, they're the ones blending into the crowd. While influencers show off luxury cars and designer clothes, true financial freedom belongs to those who master a concept called silent wealth. And it's not just about saving money, it's about building long-term, unstoppable financial power without drawing unnecessary attention. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's break it down. Imagine a billionaire walking into a coffee shop. He's wearing an old t-shirt, jeans, and simple sneakers. Nobody even notices him. He orders a regular black coffee, pays in cash, and leaves. Meanwhile, at another table, there's someone in the latest designer outfit, flashing a luxury watch, scrolling through Instagram, and ordering the most expensive drink on the menu. Who do you think is wealthier? Most people assume that wealth is what they can see: expensive cars, high-end fashion, exotic vacations. But the truth is, real wealth is what you don't see. It's the investments growing silently, the assets accumulating over time, and the financial security that provides absolute freedom. Silent wealth means having money but not needing to prove it. Think of Warren Buffett, one of the richest men on the planet. Despite being worth billions, he still lives in the same modest house he bought in 1958 and drives a regular car. Why? Because he understands that wealth isn't about impressing people. It's about control, freedom, and long-term security. The reason so many people struggle to build lasting wealth is simple lifestyle inflation. As soon as they start making more money, their expenses increase at the same rate. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their car, move into a bigger house, or start dining at luxury restaurants. Before they know it, their bank balance is the same as before, except now they have to work even harder to sustain the lifestyle they created. And that's exactly why silent wealth is so powerful. It protects you from the trap of overspending, financial stress, and unnecessary risks. The moment you stop feeling the need to prove your wealth is the moment you start accumulating real financial power. And that leads us to an important question. How to achieve silent wealth? Now let's get into the strategies. How can you build financial independence without becoming a target for unwanted attention? Here's what you need to do. First, stop trying to impress people. One of the biggest financial traps is spending money to impress others. The reality is, most people don't care what car you drive or what brand of clothing you wear. Instead of wasting money on things that lose value, redirect your resources toward assets that grow your wealth. For example, someone who wears simple, well-made clothes, drives a used but reliable car, and secretly owns millions in investments is in a far better position than someone drowning in debt just to look rich. Second, master the art of financial disguise. Building wealth silently doesn't mean hiding your success. It means being strategic about how you present yourself. Here's how: drive a reliable, low-key car instead of a flashy one. Live in a comfortable but unpretentious home in a great location. Wear quality but understated clothing. Keep your financial moves private. Avoid discussing your income or investments with people who don't need to know. These habits ensure that you accumulate wealth without attracting unwanted attention. Third, invest quietly but aggressively. While most people are chasing get-rich-quick schemes, The truly wealthy focus on solid, long-term investments. Own real estate that generates passive income. Invest in stocks, index funds, and assets that grow over time. Start or acquire businesses that generate cash flow. Automate your investments so that your money works for you constantly. Real wealth isn't in luxury purchases, it's in assets that generate money while you sleep. Fourth, be unpredictable. Want to keep people guessing? Don't let them define your financial habits. One day, wear casual clothes and have a simple meal. The next, take a first-class flight, but keep it low-key. Make generous donations, but don't advertise them. Treat yourself occasionally, but never in a way that makes people assume you have unlimited money. This unpredictability ensures that people never make assumptions about your wealth, giving you total freedom. Finally, learn to say no. The more people believe you have money, the more they will ask for favors, loans, or investments. You need to set boundaries. If someone asks for money, have a standard response. I have financial commitments I can't change right now. Be comfortable saying I'd rather not discuss my finances. Avoid impulsive spending just because you can afford it. Saying no isn't about being selfish, it's about protecting your financial security in the long run. Why silent wealth is your greatest advantage. The moment you stop caring about proving your wealth is the moment you start truly building it. Silent wealth gives you absolute power. It protects you from fake friendships and financial manipulation. It gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. It ensures you never fall into the lifestyle inflation trap. Most importantly, it allows you to build generational wealth that actually lasts. Your next move. Now the question is, are you going to start applying these strategies? Let me know in the comments. If you mastered silent wealth, what's the first thing you would do? Would you keep your financial success private, or would you share it with close friends? And if you want more powerful strategies on financial freedom, subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Let's build real wealth the smart way. And thank you for watching. More videos coming soon, and see you next time, my friends.